the fielder. Shariful Islam picked up his first. What is going on here? Exposing the stumps. And Sharif
skins the Sharifuls. Oh, has he grabbed it? Yes, Shohan has. And Shariful strikes again. On, stop this.
Revisit this moment and just wish that Oliver Peake had the 5 seconds. There's a lot of talent there.
Oh, there's a nick there. Finger raised. Shariful, is there a magic left? Will be on a hat-trick. Lipanagali in place. In the air. Oh, is that taken? It is taken. Shariful, special. Madis are just 5 runs away.
Mahidi catches it.